Today, we start the first in a series of quick tips right here on HVAC A to Z.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame, though it might be nice to own a jet plane.
So you just did a change out, or you're in the process of doing a change out, and one of the pieces of information that you're going to need is the length of that line set. Now, many times it's easy enough to measure, but sometimes it's going to go behind the wall somewhere and you're not exactly sure. And yeah, you can make a guess, but knowing exactly is important, because then you can add the proper amount of refrigerant in order to get the charge correct. So one of the tricks that I found is I have this fish tape, electrical fish tape, and this particular one is made out of fiberglass, and as you can see, it's got a nice smooth round edge on it, and you just send it down the pipe. Somebody on the other end stop it at the end of the pipe. You mark your spot on your side, pull it out, measure it with a measuring tape, and you have your measurement. That's simple. You could use one of the steel fish tapes. I have used those before, but you're going to want to keep in mind that curve, that hook that you make on the end of it, you're going to want to make sure that that's very well curved in, or better yet, take and put some tape on it, because if you leave that hook in there, and as you're pulling that fish tape in through that line and getting it back, around the curves and stuff, it'll tend to gouge it, or it might gouge some of that copper inside, therefore leaving little bits and pieces of copper inside. So you definitely want to avoid that. So that's it for today's quick tip. Thank you for watching, and if this video is any help to you, think about subscribing and hitting that bell so that when the next video comes up, you'll be notified. Thank you, and have a great day.